In plasma membrane, there is a 52% lipids, 47% protein, and 1% carbohydrates. We will read this about only a fluid mosaic model only. This is topic in the plasma membrane. Now, this protein which is spread, that is extensive, intensive. Protein is not spread. In this protein fluid mosaic model, extensive is spread and intensive is not spread. RBC is parenteral and nicotine. ATP based is extensive protein. Proteins and carbohydrates attract and converted into glycoprotein. You will see that protein plus carbohydrates make which what they will combine to form. They will form the glycoprotein. Protein and carbohydrates, if we convert together, they will form glycoprotein. Now, come to the properties of plasma membrane. We have just read that what is plasma membrane. If you want to ask anything, you can just ask me. Now, what is the property of plasma membrane? Plasma membrane is a permeable membrane, I have told you. In amphiphilic and hydrophobic, water loving, and spheric is loving, heating and loving. Okay, I have shown you the diagram. Yes, this is spheric is glycerol and phobic is fatty acid, and this is amphiphilic solution. So this is only that plasma membrane is a permeable membrane in amphiphilic and hydrophobic. Yes, phobic is heating and philic is loving. This is the diagram, you can see it. Can just draw it. Now, amphiphilic word was given by Hartley. Region of hydrophilic plasma membrane selective, all substances pass through it, but pass through the selective rate. It quickly passes through monovalents and divalents. Plasma membrane depend on size 80 to 10. Molecule passes from molecule to cell membrane. This is the reason that polysaccharides and peptides and lipids not pass through the membrane. Okay. Now, so you can see the diagram. This diagram is of polysaccharides. We have just read this now. So this diagram is about that. Now, membrane of water solvent and fast soluble gas permeable. Through SO2 gas, cell membrane system affects. On with the SO2 gas, cell membrane system is affected. On selectively plasma membrane, SO2 gases affected. Similar molecule in that lipid similar molecule of lipid solubility passes plasma membrane in that lipid solvent has high solubility. Okay, that is the properties of plasma membrane. Now we can come on the topic functions of plasma membrane. What are the functions of plasma membrane? We can just read it. TCA cycle is a Krebs cycle helping the prokaryotic cell membrane. Endocytosis work in cell membrane. Two types of engulfing. Pinocytosis is the engulf of fluid food. You can see the diagram of pinocytosis. This is the engulf of fluid food. Engulf of soluble food is phagocytosis. Plasma membrane substance control in and out substance. Okay. Now transport across membrane. The system process through the active or possessive system in transport across membrane. That system process through the active or possessive. By the active process, substances of cell membrane is transferred because in active process energy is needed. Substances of active transport is against the concentration gradient. सेल मेम्ब्रेन की प्रक्रिया से जो भी है ट्रांसपोर्ट एक्टिव प्रोसेस एनर्जी की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. एक्टिव ट्रांसपोर्ट किसके अगेंस्ट होते हैं? कंसंट्रेशन ग्रेडियंट के. ये बन रहा है डायग्राम. पोटेशियम, यू विल सी पोटेशियम, सोडियम. यस, so some carriers are found on which plasma membrane help in the transport, and that carrier protein known as permeases. Okay, what should we call? Permeases. Now if we talk about Carrier was given by Osterschout. If we see then this, you will see X1. Yes, X1 is for carrier precursor. X is equals to carrier. Potassium and sodium is ion carrier. Lundegaard was given the pump theory of ion transport. Transport mechanism was also explained through the sodium potassium 80 base pump theory. Okay, now you will want to ask anything, you can ask. Now this will continue in next class. Okay, thank you, good afternoon.